Pomegranates are a fruit that comes from a small, shrub-like tree that is native to the regions that make up present-day Iran. Pomegranates have a rich and intense flavor, but what makes them so distinct from other fruits is how you eat them. You actually eat the seeds, instead of the fruit itself. The meat of the pomegranate is a white, inedible substance with a sponge-like consistency. Inside there are pockets filled with seeds surrounded by a juice-filled sac called an aril. A typical pomegranate contains about 500 to 600 arils, each of which is filled with vitamins and antioxidants that offer a multitude of health benefits. Perhaps one of the most outstanding qualities of pomegranates is the potential they have to improve your cardiovascular health. Recent studies have shown that pomegranate juice can prevent damage to blood vessels and the hardening of the arteries due to the accumulation of cholesterol. Pomegranates also offer natural angiotensin-converting enzyme-inhibiting properties and increase the levels of nitric oxide in our bloodstream. Both of these play a role in reducing blood pressure. The higher the blood pressure is, the greater the risk of stroke. So pomegranates are definitely something people with hypertension or pre-hypertension might want to consider eating more of. Finally, the powerful antioxidant qualities of pomegranates appear to be a factor as well. Oxidation actually makes LDL cholesterol even more harmful than it ordinarily would be. Consuming pomegranate juice can help reduce the amount of oxidative stress within the body, including in the bloodstream where arterial plaque can form. A study performed on mice and published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that pomegranate juice was able to lower the amount of oxidative stress, and consequently the number of atherosclerotic lesions, by 44%. Pomegranates are great, and you're probably not eating enough of them. There are many fruits and vegetables with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities. But pomegranates are definitely among the best and are proven to have powerful heart-healthy qualities.